current scenario of active and passive funds in India and what is the future of these funds? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will explain this to you now.
Actually, the debate in India has started between active and passive investing because what has happened over the last 5-7 years is the provident fund investment have started to invest in India. So when a provident fund invests in India, they come with large amount of money, and it becomes difficult for the normal active mutual funds to absorb such amount of money. So they invest primarily into index or the ETF kind of money. So that's why there is a certain spurt in the volume growth in the ETF or the index category of funds. But having said that, if you are considering the return aspect of it, probably index fund, then of course you can go for it. But what happens with the active funds is they are able to generate a return which is little more than the index funds. So if you look at last say few years, the active funds have been able to generate a return which is higher than the index funds. So you can create a balance between the active and the passive. Do not have the entire portfolio in the index side.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.